This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to get your Motorola phone into the recovery screen, and this is actually really easy to do. I have a 2023 Stylus 5G. All I have to do is go to the power button and volume down, and I'll hold those down, and I'm going to hold this down, and the screen is going to go black, and that's fine. Just continue to hold that button down until the screen goes to the recovery screen. So hold it down, and boom, we're in the recovery screen. So it's a lot easier on a Motorola phone than use the power button down and go to recovery mode, tap this. And you might see something that says like, I don't know, some no command or something like that. Hold down the power button and tap volume up. And boom, we're in here now. We can go to the option we want now. Reboot system, factory reset, etc. So I'm just going to go to restart. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out.